2025 is shaping up to be a massive year for Tamil cinema. After a mixed 2024, the stage is set for bigger things, and this year promises a perfect blend of star power and potential for smaller films to thrive. Mani Ratnam and Kamal Hassan, two legends, are reuniting after 38 years for Thug Life. This gangster film brings together a stellar cast including Silam Barasan TR. And guess what? A.R. Rahman teams up with Kamal for the first time since Tenali in 2000. Get ready for a cinematic treat as Thug Life drops on June 5th, 2025. Rajnikant is teaming up with Lokesh Kanagaraj, the mastermind behind Managaram in Kuli. With this collaboration, expectations are sky high. Lokesh is known for breaking records, and with Rajnikant's unmatched charisma, Kuli promises to rewrite the record books. The action packed film is bound to make waves. Vijay's final film before retiring from acting, Talapati 69, is the movie every fan is waiting for. Directed by H. Vinod, this movie will be an emotional farewell to a superstar at the peak of his career. If you're a Vijay fan, you know this one will be nothing short of historic. Talapati 69 is set to release in October 2025, and it's going to be a phenomenon. Ajit Kumar has been making headlines for his incredible transformation, and now he's set to join forces with director Adhik Ravichandran for Good, Bad, Ugly. This collaboration comes at a time when Ajit is focusing on his racing commitments, making this film even more special. Prepare for a wild ride as the film hits screens soon. Surya's Retro, directed by Karthik Subbaraj, is all set to mark a massive comeback. After a few setbacks, Retro could be the film that propels Surya back to the top. It's Surya's first film with Karthik after Petta, and expectations are through the roof. Can Surya bounce back in style? We sure hope so. Here are some other Tamil films to look out for this year: Veeradhira Surantu, Idli Kadai, Vavati Yare, Sardar 2, Bison, Dragon, Love Insurance Company, STR's collaboration with Aswat Mirimuthu, AR Murugados, and Sudha Kongara's films with Siva Karthikeyan, Nera Milai, and Genie. 2025 is packed with some of the most exciting Tamil films. Mark your calendars because you won't want to miss these. Here's our story on Tamil films that may have flown under the radar but left a lasting impression in 2024. What makes a film unforgettable? Is it the budget, the star cast, or the sheer magic of storytelling? Some Tamil films of 2024 prove that big isn't always better, yet they barely got the love they deserved. Let's change that. Kicking things off, Jama by debutant Pari Alavasgan is a profound tale of resilience. Tackling toxic masculinity and societal labels, it's a film about talent breaking through barriers like plants pushing through concrete. Add Ilayaraja's music, and you have a gem that rivals the best of the year. This film is a tight investigative drama headlined by Satish. This charty directorial keeps you guessing with its unpredictable twists and an ensemble cast free from image constraints. It's a thriller done right. This film takes you on a ride down memory lane. Directed by Kamala Karan, this story of learning to cycle taps into the bitter sweetness of the past, making it an emotional roller coaster that occasionally wobbles but always charms. This film is a bold narrative of a physics teacher's gender transition. Samuktia Vishwanathan, who also directed and starred, brings raw honesty to a story that avoids melodrama and lets audiences draw their own conclusions. In Rocket Driver, an auto driver meets his idol, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, time traveling from 1948. Whimsical yet heartfelt, this film reminds us that dreams and perseverance transcend time. This film celebrates the unsung heroes of cinema. Vivek Prasanna and Uday Karthik lead this heartfelt comedy about how a solid support system can turn dreams into reality. In this movie, a road trip to deliver a body for last rites become a poignant tale of humanity. Vimal and Karuna's shine in the story about love, caste, and the storms of life. A film about pigeon racing, the story dives deep into raw human emotions and the chaos of competition. With a fresh cast and authentic storytelling, it delivers intrigue despite its rough edges. Hitlist takes us into the psyche of a peaceful man forced into violence. Vijay Kanishka's debut performance anchors this intense thriller about choices and survival. Finally, Deepavali Bonus is a heartwarming tale about family and perseverance. Director Jayabal captures the spirit of celebration despite life's hardships, reminding us there's always light at the end of the tunnel. These films might not have made headlines, but they made an impact. They prove that cinema's true power lies in stories that touch the heart. So, as 2024 ends, why not give these hidden gems the love they deserve?